Today, LogyTech IT is going to fix a PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller stick drifting problem by replacing the 9.0K potentiometer sensor. I started the repair by doing an initial test of the controller just to make sure which analog had a drift problem. I proceeded to disassemble the faulty controller and then connected it to my MacBook to run a test on gpadtester.com to identify which direction potentiometer sensor was defective. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. I then proceeded to disconnect all the flex connected to the mainboard of the controller and desoldered the vibrator motors so I could get easy access to work on the analog joystick. I desoldered the old faulty potentiometer sensor. And after, I did a quick clean of the area to get rid of any residue left from the soldering flux before installing the new potentiometer sensor. This problem can occur due to intensive force on the analog joystick over a period of time, which causes the potentiometer sensor in the analog to be worn on the edges, as shown in the video, therefore leading to the controller drifting in one direction of movement during gameplay. Before soldering the replacement one back on, I did another test to make sure the sensor was centered and not drifting to one side before resoldering the potentiometer sensor on the logic board. I then connect all the flex cables, solder the vibrators back on and reassemble the PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller for one last test before contacting the customer for collection. There are lots of videos circulating online with the narrative that the stick drift problem on game controllers is caused by dust or dirt, and it can be fixed by cleaning with an air duster. I am here to tell you it's all clickbait, and it's a hardware fault that can only be properly repaired by replacing the worn-out potentiometer sensor. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. For more information about LogyTech services, please visit our website at logitech.co.uk.